For those of us living in modern industrial societies, the general trend has been to spend more and more time indoors, sitting in an office or cubicle, behind a computer screen, or at home watching TV or playing video games. With all these hours spent inside, there's less time for communing with the natural world. Keep watching to find out more. Photosynthesis and human respiration. Our symbiotic relationship with trees and other plants has to do with the fact that during photosynthesis, plants release oxygen and convert atmospheric carbon dioxide into sugars. Photosynthesis and respiration are opposites in the sense that the byproduct of photosynthesis is oxygen, while the byproduct of respiration is carbon dioxide. So, metaphorically speaking, we could say that what plants exhale, humans inhale, and what humans inhale, plants exhale. This is particularly true during the daytime when sunlight allows photosynthesis to be happening. But what about during the night? As it turns out, plants during the nighttime hours engage in a form of respiration similar to human respiration, drawing oxygen from the surrounding environment and emitting carbon dioxide. The good news is that plants produce approximately 10 times more oxygen during the day via photosynthesis than what they consume at night. So the net effect of their presence is still highly beneficial. What's more, there are certain plant species that continue to release oxygen even during the nighttime, making them an excellent choice for our bedrooms. Plants increase focus. Indoor plants are beneficial not only in our homes, but also in schools, where they've been shown to positively impact both attentiveness and attendance among students. Research shows that students attending lectures in classrooms with indoor plants were much more attentive, with distractions reduced by 70% in comparison to students in classrooms that had no plants. The same study found that students were almost 100% more likely to return to lectures in the classroom that had plants in them than they were to return to lectures in a room without plants. Plants reduce fatigue. Not surprisingly, the benefits of indoor plants apply to work as well as home and school settings. Several scientific studies have shown that having houseplants in offices reduces sick leave and sick building syndrome while increasing concentration and productivity. Plants can also reduce office noise and alleviate stress. Another study conducted by Norwegian scientists established that workers had fewer complaints of a cough, dry or itching throat, and fatigue when there were plants in the office. Plants enhance healing. Though people go to hospitals for the purpose of recovering from injury or illness, the incidence of aerogenic disease suggests that hospitals, quite ironically, are not always the healthiest place to be, and sometimes quite the contrary. So any chance in a hospital environment that has a positive effect is obviously a good thing. And as it turns out, there's evidence that plants in hospital rooms support the healing process. For instance, one study found that surgical patients who recovered in rooms that had plants reported experiencing less pain, anxiety, stress, and fatigue than did patients who recovered from surgery in rooms without plants. Overall, the patients in rooms with plants had lower blood pressure, were more satisfied with rooms, and felt more positively towards hospital workers. In another study, patients recovering from an appendectomy used fewer painkillers if they had plants in their rooms. The investment required to add indoor plants to your home or office is a small price to pay for air purification that is both effective and at the same time naturally beautiful. And many of the plants that have been scientifically shown to improve physical and/or emotional health are available to purchase on our website. Check out Bloom Space today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.